Ready to unlock your creative potential and master the world's leading image editing software? Let's dive straight into the interface. On the left, you have the toolbar, housing all the essential tools, which is your best friend at the top. Find the menu bar, full of options for file handling, adjustments and more. Now, look to the right and you'll discover the Layers panel, which is your organizational hub. Think of each layer as a transparent sheet stacked on top of each other. This is how you will organize your work. Time to grab some tools. The Marquee Tool lets you make selections. Click and drag to select shape, like a rectangle or an ellipse. Experiment with different shapes you can select. Then, we have the Move tool, ideal to move your selected selection with a selection active. Click and drag to reposition it, or even move layers around in your image. Play around with it. Next, try the Brush tool, one of the most fun parts. Choose your brush size and color. Then simply click and drag across your image to paint directly onto a layer. Create some abstract images by using different brush sizes and colors. Finally, let's add some text using the Text tool. Click on the canvas to create a text box where you can type, customize fonts, size, and color. Play around with different fonts and colors until you are satisfied. You're well on your way to becoming a Photoshop pro.